all them clothes there. Oh God. Let's get the bleach. Let's wash them right there. Hold on. Sure.
Miss Maxine! Good morning!
What's up?
One?
No.
The Pringles.
How are you today?
Oh, I buy this to my son or my daughter, whatever it is, you know?
Why you buy something and you don't know how buy it?
True, they can both play with it. I just store me get it, you know.
What are you doing?
Jody, I check to see if your baby alright. Me I check your temperature.
Dad, is that a pregnancy test?
What do you mean pregnancy test?
That's a pregnancy test.
Jody, you know so this Maxine have me a put on my tongue from last week. So this can't take temperature?
No.
It's a wicked.
I'm fine.
So you're alright, the baby and
Yes.
everything alright?
Yes, Daddy.
No.
No, put on that, please.
Oh. How is all the them, Miss Maxine?
Upstairs must be no wash.
Oh.
Wash.
So she not get some brief from me about that?
You don't want none of your brief. None of
Miss
that.
Maxine, me have clothes over here, man. You can't wash it like how you washing me?
Ask Jody, please.
Alright, cool. But, you know, say from what day Jody bother me about some baby shower or something?
Oh, the gender reveal, me see it on
Yes,
Facebook.
that.
Me see it on Facebook.
She had a post me on Instagram about me and my baby daddy gender reveal coming.
No, we need to do that. We need to
Miss
get
Miss
balloon, tablecloth. We have to start plan from now.
So Miss Maxine, where you think I pay for that? Not me, you?
How when you go give birth?
I really don't know.
Jody, me say, me happy to be a grandfather, you see? I can't wait. You know why yet? It's a girl or it's a boy?
I got one more appointment to go to. I don't want to know. I don't want to know.
Me want to know. Me excited. But you see, man,
Me too.
me happy for you, but me not happy for Andrew. Me not happy for him at all. You know, say, me worried though. Me really worried, you know, Jody.
Okay.
Last night, me get a dream. And it a bother me. You know, see, you probably have got to C-section.
Why?
You know, see, your Andrew head big. Suppose baby take off Andrew. Jody, me no feel like you can push out that. I mean, no want nothing there. You have to go do C-section. If that baby they take off Andrew with feel big head, me no feel like you can work, Jody.
I think I'll be fine, Father.
Me worried, you know.
I think I'll be fine.
But me excited to be a grandfather. I hope it's a little boy, so me and him can play cricket. I hope it's a little boy.
And I hope it's a girl.
Me and her still can play cricket, it no matter to me. But yeah, alright, look, I me check your heartbeat. You sure no twin?
No, it's not one.
Jody, me say, me I'm not sure this still can Maxine
Yeah.
have to explain him to the way it's a pregnancy test.
Pregnancy test.
You think your mother pregnant?
Hopefully not.
Jesus Christ, Jody, me worried. And me dream see fish too, you know.
Daddy, I'm going. Can I lay back down now?
Yeah man, lie down.
Mr. Chairman got to pay him, pocket going burn.
I'm gonna take him card.
Me
So,
too.
yeah, me have to start plan from now.
No one piece, Miss Maxine, you sure?
Give me a piece.
Where's that Jody? Up there?
Upstairs.
Okay, see you later.
Alright, Andrew.
Jody. Yeah. Go on,
Jody! How are you?
Leave me, I'm just trying to take her temperature. Something wrong with that?
Jody, man, a doctor, you make him put something up in here.
It's my grandkid too, you know. It's my grandkid.
He not certified if you put that something.
Jody, don't listen to this boy here.
Mr. Chairman, you have to come out, you know.
Don't make me have nothing.
It's
here.
mine in that, you know.
I said don't make me have nothing in my house. Andrew, remember the rum done. Tread lightly. The rum done. Okay. Jody, I'm going downstairs. And if you want anything, call me. Get out of my way.
Jody, where you and your father in here talk about?
He was making sure I'm okay. That's it. What's the problem?
I feel like him not like me, you know?
That's nothing new either.
Licky. But one rum. Me not buy him no more. No more him not
You gave
get.
it to him in the first place.
That's true. Broke him bad. Me I provide for me youth now. Every morning me get, I go and buy something for you, baby.
What is this?
Oh shit. Me buy this him.
Him?
Yeah.
You don't even know if it's
I want a boy. Shh. I want a boy. I don't care. I buy it at the thrift store.
You know this says not for children under the ages of 3, right?
Me teach him how to play with it.
Her?
Yeah. Miss Maxine like it, you know?
Okay, yeah.
No, boy. Miss Maxine like it, you know? I will that talk about the fraternity thing.
Huh?
So she go buy balloon cups and
My gender reveal?
Huh?
My gender reveal?
Stop connect me, man. Every time you correct me about something thing, man. I want you. That same thing.
What she said?
So she go keep it and she go pay for it.
What is it?
He never give me no date. But we can really fly and put it on the gram.
Okay.
Yeah!
I'm so excited. Okay, this is the colors I want. Okay, I'm thinking like.
Me go buy a car key.
Mhm.
A suit of khaki. One school bag.
Or.
Hmm?
Or.
You look bad, man, want a clocks too.
No. So we're gonna wear I'm feeling kind of like yellowish, but then yellow, cause I feel like yellow is a neutral, like it could be a.
Come dress me up like me and some flowers. Me not like no yellow color. That or something.
You just gotta wear a yellow shirt. I'll wear a yellow dress. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Hello, me no be community color that you want me wear yellow. Me no know that. Better wear black, green and gold or something. You come and talk about yellow. Who wear yellow, cause baby? Yo, you better replan that. I really think that way I talk about. Boy, yellow. Me never have no yellow.
You can buy it. I don't like that. Your energy is.
And me know Mr. Trevor now come and do something.
Why not? That's my father.
Don't send him no invitation.
I don't gotta send it to him. He stays in the house.
He might go come mash it up in a bed. Watch, he might come mash it up. Me I bet you any money. That man don't like me. I gonna poison him. Wait.
Huh?
No, I'm not gonna poison him. I was lying.
Okay. You put this down, please. It sounds like.
Oh, my son is doing. Hello!
Daughter.
Can you hear me? Shh, I'm talking. Hey, can you hear me? But you your rank, man. You be a drama on it.
Yeah.
She this man.
Me say, the boy didn't know me, you know. I bet you say me go up there go chop him up. And you don't know me, you know. Me say me a try me loving and me a
I want to Trevor.
Maxine, you know me go chop up Anjo.
For what?
Maxine,
What is it?
me must chop up Anjo.
Hold on there. Wait there.
Me go kill him, you know, Maxine.
Trevor, relax now. What?
Maxine, me upstairs look wild. You know what boy do?
What?
Drink me up. Dump me all in my belly. Maxine, right now, me say me belly
Trevor
hurt
say.
me. Me belly hurt me. Me belly hurt me.
Make some.
Me a go chop him up,
No,
Maxine.
you're not chop him up.
You know what? Me up there this morning. And me a check Jody blood pressure. And you know, say Andrew come in there and that he no like, he no want me to be the grandfather.
Oh yeah.
He no want me to be the grandfather, Maxine.
Don't make me laugh in here, please. What you mean?
Maxine, you take everything for your joke, man.
Okay.
Maxine.
Alright, put on that. Let me go talk to him.
Maxine.
Me go talk to
Remember, I'm making birth to Jody, you know.
him. Yes.
And a birth, but me deliver Jody.
Yes. Both of them.
At that he no want.
Okay.
At that he no want, Max.
I told Trevor. Put on that.
Maxine, me eat it, you know.
Okay.
Maxine, me eat it, you know, Maxine.
Let me this now.
You don't know when me back in my days, you know, Maxine.
Yes, them no know.
You see for when me is younger.
Okay.
You think you could have talked in
No,
the belly and get
sir.
wet?
No, sir.
Maxine, boy, told me hot, you know.
Okay, make some tea now. Look at
Maxine, go talk to him, you know.
Okay. Alright, never talk.
Me-
Never talk.
Maxine, me no want him in here, you know.
Jody. Me gone. Never talk to him.
Maxine, talk to him, car boy. He might tread on a light rope.
Andrew,
Yes,
what
Miss
one? What is now? What?
Miss Maxine, you see your man? He might keep up one long list of fuckery long.
Hold on there, wait there.
Sorry for cuss, but Jody wants some water and thing. You know she get when she hungry and him something. So I'll talk to you later.
Why, Mr. Jody, I walk on? What could I cause this now? Walk on up here.
What are you talking about?
What is going on up here? Me say, me just talk to your father and him say, him and Andrew, you just sit down and make it happen.
Really?
Him say, Andrew, thump him up, drape him up, all kind of sitting. I you just did sit down and make it happen.
Time out, daddy's lying. Nothing like that.
Nothing could have gone so. Yeah, listen, come me watch them too, you know. You have to make Andrew respect your father, you know.
But daddy don't respect Andrew. He's my baby father.
Okay, I know your father that. And I'm my baby father, so guess what? You have to work it out. Me say that, and guess what? You hear my girl. Respect your father. Make Andrew respect it's your father. It's his house. What's up?
They're going through it. Daddy rum is done. Andrew don't have no money to buy him no more rum.
You have to jump
Daddy's
in.
upset.
You have to jump in, Jody. Make a deal with your father, but you can't make Andrew drape him up and thump him up.
Really, ma, out of all people, Andrew drape up daddy?
Me catch them one time still. So
You bring water, come here?
It's not for me, it's for Jody.
Young Jody, I pay a bill in here. You know 2 bull can't raise in a 1 penny.
Me look like bull to you? Where you have to stay then?
So you think you are going to come kick me out of my own house? Over my dead body?
That can be arranged.
Check me.
Of course.
Run.
Maxine! Maxine, how you join me? Maxine, don't give me sleep here! Maxine! He can't come back here! Maxine, join me! Jesus Christ!
Christ, Trevor, what?
Maxine, he can't come back in here!
What the hell?
Pass me machine, he run now, pass me machine!
My God.
Pass me machine, Maxine, let me go see him!